GCSE menstrual cycle is easy to remember. There are 4 hormones to remember: FSH, which is follicle stimulating hormone, LH, which is luteinizing hormone, and those two, which we abbreviate, are both made in the pituitary gland. And there is estrogen and progesterone, which are the 2 hormones made by the ovaries. And remember, FSH is the first one that we're going to talk about, and this one stimulates for a follicle to mature. And a follicle is just something which matures into an egg, which can then be fertilized. And when this is finished, FSH increases the amount of estrogen. And estrogen starts to build up the lining of the uterus, ready for that fertilized egg to embed into it later on. And for every menstrual cycle, we only want 1 egg. So once that egg is matured, we can say that estrogen inhibits FSH. So the presence of estrogen lowers the amount of FSH being released, because having multiple eggs mature is bad. Now the next hormone is LH, which is luteinizing hormone, and this hormone triggers ovulation, which is just the egg being released. And if the egg has been fertilized, and this is going to result in a pregnancy, then we're going to have lots of progesterone being released, and this builds up the lining of the uterus to make sure that that egg is cushioned and it's protected for the duration of the pregnancy. And for that duration of a pregnancy, we don't want any more eggs maturing, and we don't want any more ovulation, any more eggs being released. So we can say that progesterone also inhibits FSH and LH, the 2 abbreviated ones. And that's the menstrual cycle. It's simple. Just remember those things. Remember the 2 abbreviated hormones are produced in the pituitary gland. The 2 other ones, progesterone and estrogen, are produced by the ovaries. When this comes up in your exam, absolutely smash that question, guys. See you guys on the next one.